Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is a Nigeria traditional makeover. So if this is your first time stopping by, please subscribe and also like and share this video because this three stuff help me a lot. So please, and also turn on the notification bell, that way you get all notifications when I upload video. Okay, crew. So I'm using the Tarte Knockout Tingly Treatment toner to exfoliate and clean a skin. And I'm using a cotton ball to do this. And right now I'm using the Ogenist Elevate Contour Cream to moisturize the skin. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use I'm gonna use an hand sanitizer to sanitize my hand first, because that is like very important before touching a client or whoever you're doing their makeup. Just want to make sure you clean before you touch the face. Then after that, I'm gonna go over and apply it in a way that it doesn't mess up her face. Being that she's like matured, she has a mature skin, I have to make sure I'm taking it upward and not bringing it down, if you get what I'm trying to say. So right now I'm going to moisturize her lips, and I'm using the Sephora lip balm in Goji, Goji, Goji. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nikki spoolie with eyebrow pencil to brush eyebrows in place. Now I'm not gonna show how I did the eyebrows here, but that is like the before and after. Look how neat and crispy that looks. But this video is long and I just don't want to show all that in this video. But if you want me to show you how I did, I just leave that in the comment section below and I will upload that part, okay, separately. I just don't want this video to be too long. So you guys know what I use. You know I'm a fan of ABH brow pomade. So this is the one in the color in brown, dark brown, and I use my angle brush. So right now I'm using the Gele Pro Concealer, but being that at times the concealer move around, so I'm trying to I'm using a primer right now. This is Sephora Beauty Amplifier primer. So after that, then I'll use a concealer, which is in Fun, to conceal our lovely eyebrows. So I have a eyebrow tutorial separately. If you want to watch that, I will also leave that in the description box, so that way you can click in that video and watch it. That is more like a natural eyebrows tutorial, though this is a little bit dramatic, but I mean, yeah, it's the same method I use in doing both natural, a little bit dramatic, and a more crispy dramatic eyebrows. The same method, but just slightly different, but almost the same thing. So you can just watch it. How are you guys doing? I miss you guys. Miss you. But I know we still have the giveaway open, but it's about to close. So if you know anybody who is interested, tell them to subscribe. Okay guys, I need you to share my giveaway video. Please share it, so that people can know what's going on, because it's about to end, it's about to go down. So right now I'm using the Sephora brush. If you know me, I've been in love with this brush, the dual brush. It's just awesome. I'm blending the concealer into her skin. So now I'm using a damp beauty blender to further blend this into the skin. I'm using the Urban Decay eye primer portion. If you watch my videos also, this is what I've been using, a small 100 points from Sephora. So I'm applying that on her eyelids. Now, because she has discoloration, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Color Corrector HD Concealer in R50. I'm going to use that to, color correct eyelids first, then go over that with Fun Concealer, Gele Pro Concealer in color Fun. Then we proceed to applying the colors. So being that I was trying to do a makeup in time, I didn't really show the colors I was using in the beginning. I just proceeded in applying them, but after I was done with the eyes, I showed it, so that way when we get to that place, I would show it to you in seconds. So what I'm doing right now is applying that color on her crease. She said she wanted like a bold eye look and a neutral lip. So I'm like, okay, okay, mommy, I'm gonna give that to you. Okay, I got you. So I apply that color now. I'm blending it. I just love her eyebrows. It's so nice. It's so nice. I kind of I messed it up at the end, but you know, we makeup artists, we just like to, you know, make things look perfect. Then later it becomes imperfect. So yeah, I'm just blending, and later I'm gonna go in with a brown shadow, which I think I'm doing right now, just on an outer V, you know, to just smoke it up a little bit. Then I went in with a green shadow and I popped that on her eyelids. I used two green eyeshadows, one dark green and one bright green, so that we can get a perfect green color we want. And then before applying the green, yeah, I kind of, you know, clean the area where we're applying it with the phone concealer. And being that it was very creamy, like it wasn't trying to dry at all, I used a large eyeshadow brush to just dab it and, you know, just blend it out. Alright, so if you guys have any question, you can always ask me, you know, below. Just you know, list it, say it in the comment section, ask me anything, I'm gonna answer you. And I appreciate you guys. You guys are like the love of my life. Thanks for always watching my videos. I know there's some requests on, you know, me doing some videos which is like more hair tutorials. I've not really had you know, done any hair tutorial, but I'm gonna do one for you guys very soon. And also more there's some makeup requests and also makeup challenge. I'm still gonna do it, okay? Trust me, I am gonna do it. But yeah, if you want me to do any look, just let me know, okay? I just want us to have more engagement on this channel. Talk to me, you know, talk to me. Let's chat, let's connect. Come on, you know, follow me on IG, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Even let me follow you. You know, I just want us to like talking. I want to engage with you guys. I want to know what you guys want, what you like. So yeah, this is a place. That's the color I used on the crease, that on the lid, the first green, and now from the ABH palette, the subculture palette, that's the light green, and now I'm just blending it. Okay, so right now the crease kind of. Did you see what she was doing? Like, she was trying to bite me. That was so funny. So the concealer, the crease shadow kind of got to the brows and I didn't like that, so I had to like use the concealer to clean it up and also blend it again. If this was a kind of dramatic, I said grammar, oh my god, this was kind of a dramatic look, I would have left it like that with the concealer. It was so perfect. So right now I'm using the Sephora eyeliner to just, you know, line a tight line, and later I went in with the Clinique Easy liquid liner, but the camera wasn't recording. Yeah, I'm shaking my butt for her. Yes, girl. So I used the lashes. I think that is by, I can't remember, but if you want me to tell you, just ask me in the comment section. I would, you know, check it. I have it in my makeup kit and put it there. But if I remember before the end of this video, I will let you know. So after applying that, look at her feeling herself. She's like, yes, look at her eyes. So yeah, I use the dual glue. I'm like, I'm talking too much. This video is a long ass video, but just try and watch it to the end, because, you know, just try, just do it for me, please. So I'm using the Smashbox mascara, you know, on her lashes to make it combine with the other lashes. She's very dry. Even after using the moisturizer, she was still dry, and I don't have any other moisturizer, so I'm like, oh, let's just use Vaseline, you know, and that worked. And right now I'm using the Sephora primer, the beauty amplifier all over her face now, and I just love that glow, you know, from the Vaseline. You know, it's good to improvise. Then I'll be using Mayorkun foundation. I actually mixed two colors together. Can't remember what color I used right now, but yeah, if you want me to tell you, I can always, like, you know, check again and see which color. but I know I mixed it. That it was 4 or 5 or 5 or 6, I don't know. But yeah, bronze 5 or bronze 6, bronze 4 or bronze 5, either of the two. But yeah, I can always like check because I know I wrote it down somewhere. So I mix those two, and yes. But before I use the foundation, what I did was to apply the color corrector. I used on her eyelids, first, because she has like a discoloration also on her cheekbone. Then use the foundation and blend that in with what? A damp beauty blender, so that we can have that flawless finish, because you don't want her to, like, being that she has like the kind of skin she has, you don't want to use something too much or too much product to make it look icky. You want it to be as natural as possible. So guys, my camera misbehaved as usual, and all the contour and highlighting I did was not captured. I'm sorry. So right now I'm using Anastasia bronzer in mahogany to contour and nose. That's what I used to set my contour, to set our contour, pardon me, after using the contour. For the contour, I use the Urban Decay that deep concealer. Then I use Anastasia, oh my god, Anastasia bronzer to set it. So for highlights, yeah, I use Fun Concealer, underneath the high. So right now I'm using the Sleek Blush palette. See that blush looking sexy on her. Right now I'm using the Becca in color Topaz. This I made a little bit of mistake, because this was like a subtle glow. Then I went ahead and add a second layer. Can you imagine? And then it was like, making a wrinkles show, and I didn't like that. So that's the lens. Next time I'm just gonna be like, guys, minimize, like a minimal glow, so that way, all the wrinkles doesn't really show. So yeah, just highlighting the eyes points and parts of the face because she wanted to look, glammed, So right now, being that I don't want my hand to mess up makeup, I'm using tissue paper to, like, to place my hand on, and I'm lining my lips with the Nikki K lip liner. I've been using this also on myself. Can't remember the name again. But yeah, if you watch my videos, you'll know which one I'm using because I think I always say to my videos. I'm using that to line my lip. Then I'm gonna go in with Lolita by Kat Von D. She wanted a neutral lip, and I'm like, oh yes, let me use Lolita on you, and I did that, and that really completed that look. Okay. So right now I'm getting my edges ready for the headgear. So right now that's the back. You can see how it's a little bit wrinkled, and that is the front. Then you want to make sure you fold the the beginning of the headgear inward to the back, so that way you have where you start with, and make sure it's firm. Then I always tie mine from the front of the client, and because this is a big gele, you want to make sure one side is longer than the other side, like so. Then I'll go to the front and just make it firm, and you want to make sure it doesn't overlap or have any bubbles. Just try and smooth it with your hand. Make sure it's as firm as possible. See how I'm smoothing it? Yes. Then I'll take the shorter lens to the right side and take the longer lens under the shorter lens to the left until I had to hold the shorter lens. Then I start making my pleating, and that was when my camera stopped recording. I'm so mad right now. But if you want me to shoot a separate video on how to do this, let me know. I will do it for you. Okay, my beauties, my sisters, like, I'll do it for you. So right now I'm just like setting the gele. I already did the pleats, so I'm trying to like make it symmetrical. Oh guys, you should know what I'm talking about. You should know what I'm trying to pronounce. Oh yes. So just trying to set it and make it look nice. And yeah, when you tie it, you just don't get satisfied. You just want to make sure it's perfect as possible. But yeah, just keep touching it, and that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you love this look. Let me know, what do you think? Comments below. Okay, and until my next video, Stay beautiful always.
Damn, fresh on the beat.
My love, he go wake up. He go wake up. My love, he go wake up. Da 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 da. He go wake up.